Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So we are doing the chapter matrices. You are familiar with addition, subtraction, multiplication of a matrices. Now I am moving to the important concept, that is transpose of the matrix. As you know that before definition I will explain the concept. See what is the concept? If one matrix is given for you, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the order of this matrix? This matrix has the order 2 by 3, and transpose is nothing but just interchange. It is denoted by a dash or a raised to t. So just interchange the row into columns, columns into row. Here 1, 2, 3. This is the first row. It changes to first column, and second row changes to second column. So it is very important, very simple concept. See, it is order is 2 by 3. And what about here? This is the first row, second row, third row. 3 by 2. 3 row, 2 columns. Yes. What is the then important thing here? Transpose means when you are interchanging the row into columns, whatever the resulting matrix, that we are calling as a transpose of the matrix. See the definition. If A is equal to Aij, be an M by N matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called the transpose of A, and the transpose of the matrix is denoted by A dash or A raised to T. Understood? Then tell me, what is a transpose? Transpose is nothing but by interchanging the row into columns, columns into row. Then the question comes how to write in general. So here, if A is equal to Aij is a matrix of order M by N, and you know that transpose means you are interchanging. It is denoted by A dash, and the row changes to column, column changes to row means Aj. Instead of M by N, you are writing N by M. The order will be interchange. Is it clear? Now I am giving you the properties of transpose of the matrix. Properties of transpose of the matrix or matrices. So here, take any two matrices A and B are any two matrices of suitable order, because we cannot say that whether it is a square or whatever it is, suitable orders. Then what is the first one? First is A transpose of transpose is A. Again you are getting a original. What about the second one? K into A whole transpose is K into A transpose, where K is any constant. Where K is any constant. Then third one, A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. And similarly you can write for minus. A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Fourth is very important for theory as well as competitive market. It is AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Now I am explaining with the help of examples. See the examples. If A is equal to 3 root 3 to 4 2 0 and B is 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. Verify that first one, A transpose of transpose is equal to A. Second one, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. And the third one is A into B transpose is equal to K into B whole transpose, where K is constant. Now I will explain these and examples one by one. See the first one. In the first one, first we have to write the matrix, given matrix A as it is. 3 root 3 2. Then 4 2 0. Let us call this as equation 1 and write the transpose of this. When you write the transpose, the row changes to column. Then column changes to row. This is A transpose. After writing this, again write down the transpose of this. A transpose of transpose is equal to, now the row changes to column, column changes to row. So is it nothing but A or what? This is A. This is from equation 1. Now is it clear? So we got the first answer. A transpose of transpose is A. Now moving to the second one. See what is the second one? In the second one, first we have to go for A plus B. In A plus B, what we will do? We have to add the corresponding elements. 3 plus 2, 5. Root 3 minus 1. Further simplification is not possible. Then 2 plus 2, 4. Next 4 plus 1, 5. Then 2 plus 2, 4. Then 0 plus 4. This is what? A plus B. Now I am writing A plus B whole transpose. So that means we are changing row as a column, column as a row. So this is equation 1. Then we are writing A transpose plus B transpose. First only write down the transpose. Then middle plus, write down B transpose. Then add these two. First element plus first element. Then similarly second. Then move for the next. Here plus into minus is minus. Then 2 plus 2. Next 2 plus 2. 4 and this is 4. See this is equation 2. In equation 1 and 2. See the elements of each matrix. The elements are equal. Then how you write? From 1 and 2. A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Understood? Now we are moving to the third part. See in the third one. In the third example, what we have to prove? We have to prove that K into B dash. So here in the third one, I am writing K into B dash. K into B dash. K, write on the transpose of B. It is 2 minus 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 4. Then multiply this. Each element is multiplied with K. 2K. 1 into K is K minus K. 2K. This is 2K. And it is 4K. This is what? Equation 1. In the next part, what we are doing? We are multiplying K into B. So K, B means whatever is a given matrix. 2 minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. Multiply each element. 2K minus K, 2K. This is K, 2K, 4K. Then write down the transpose of this. K into B whole transpose we have to write. So for this we have to write the transpose, means changing row as a column, column as a row. And call this as equation 2. See in equation 1 and 2 what you are observing, the elements are same. Then your result will be from 1 and 2. K into B dash is equal to K into B whole dash. See this completes the last example. Now I am moving to the next one. In the next one, and take the pen and paper along with me, go on, write that values, then you will be perfect in that. See, next one is very important. This is for 5 marks. It comes in part D. If A is equal to minus 2, 4, 5. B is equal to 1, 3, minus 6. And the question is, verify that AB whole transpose is B transpose into A transpose. See here, this is the important for 5 marks. It comes in part D. Now I am giving you the solution. So here first we have to go for AB, and already you are familiar with matrix multiplication. Here it is A, here it is B. What is this order? This order is 3 by 1 and its order is 1 by 3. When you are multiplying these two, finally AB has order 3 by 3. That you are familiar. So first row with first column. That is minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Leave some place. First row with second column, minus 6. Then first row with third column, 12. Similarly second row, 4, 12, minus 24. Then 5, 15, minus 30. Write on the transpose of this. Transpose of this means row changes to column. Minus 2, 4, 5, minus 6, 12, 15, and it is 12 minus 24 minus 30. This is what? This is equation 1. Understood? Next I am moving to this part. Right side, B dash into A dash. B dash means transpose. What is the transpose of B? One row changes as a one column. 1, 3, minus 6. Then A transpose. It is minus 2, 4, 5. Then multiply. Minus 2, 4, 5. Next with second row. Minus 6, 12, 15. Then 12 minus 24 minus 30. This is what? Equation 2. See, both I kept as it is on side by side. Compare that to, and what you are getting? From 1 and 2. The answer will be AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Now I am moving to the exercise of NCERT, that is exercise 3.3 from NCERT. I am giving you each and every question, and if it is a similar, I will give you as an assignment for your practice. So it is exercise 3.3 from your NCERT. The first question is, find the transpose. Take the paper and pen, go on writing with me. Transpose of each of the following. I am explaining slowly step by step, so each one can understand easily. Following matrices. First problem. A is given 5, 1 by 2, minus 1. See, can you write the order? Yes, its order is 3 by 1. In front of that, leave some place, then write on the transpose. Transpose is what? Row changes to column, column changes to row. 5, 1 by 2, minus 1. It is 1 by 3. First question. Second one, A. 1 minus 1, 2, 3. So what is its order? Its order is 2 by 2. In front of this, transpose. Row changes to column. 1 minus 1. Row has becomes columns. Then the next one is 2, 3. Here the order is 2 by 2. It remains the same. Why? Because it is a square matrix. Now I am giving you third and fourth as a assignment. That is, you have to write its transpose. Note down that. The third one is A. Minus 1, 5, 6. Root 3, 5, 6. 2, 3, minus 1. And the fourth one is A is equal to 1 minus 1 2 4 5 0. So for this you have to write the transpose. These two questions are assignment for you. Next question. If A transpose is equal to 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1. The transpose is given, note it clearly, and B is equal to minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Then verify that first one, A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose, and the second one, A minus B whole transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. Now I am giving you the solution. So mark this, A transpose is given. So with the help of that, first I am writing A transpose as it is 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1. Now with the help of that I am writing matrix A. Matrix A means row changes to column. 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1. And on the side I am writing B. B as it is standard. Minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Then what you are doing, students? We are adding these two. A plus B. So you can add directly, no? 3. But it is a minus means 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 1 plus 2. 1. 0 plus 1. Then 4 plus 1. 2 plus 2. Then 1 plus 3. This is what? A plus B. Then what is A plus B whole transpose? 2 1 1. Then 5 4 4. This is what? This is equation 1. Next what we are going? We are going to do that B A dash plus B dash. A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose is given in the problem. 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1 plus write on B transpose with the help of B. Minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Then add these two corresponding elements. 3 plus into minus is minus. 3 minus 1 2. This is 5 1 4 1 4. Now compare equation 1 and 2. See, are they equal or what? Yes, they are equal. Then what is your conclusion from 1 and 2? A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So it completes the first part. Now I am moving to the second one. In the second one, what it is? It is a subtraction. So I think you know, just it is a simple subtraction. Only thing we have to write the transpose. So second one, A plus A minus B. What is A? Here it is transpose. I am writing A. 3 minus 1 is 0. 4 2 1. And middle minus. B is given. Minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Just go for subtraction. 3 minus into minus become plus. 3 plus 1 4. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 4 minus 1 3. 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Then what we have to write? We have to write A minus B whole transpose. 4 minus 3 minus 1. 3 0 minus 2. Understood? This is equation 1. Next I am writing A dash minus B dash. That is A transpose minus B transpose. 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1. Middle minus B transpose. Minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Go for the subtraction. 3 minus into minus plus. 3 plus 1. 4 minus 1. Then minus 1 minus 2, then 2 minus 2 0, next 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2. This is what? This is equation 2. So from 1 and 2, compare the result. See the result here. 4 minus 3 minus 1, 4 minus 3 minus 1, 3 0 minus 2, 3 0 minus 2. That means A minus B whole transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. Understood? Now I am giving you one similar problem as a homework. That is assignment. Note down that if A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1 and B minus 4, 1, minus 5. That is 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Then verify that first one, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and the second one, A minus B whole transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. See, these are the assignment questions. Please note down this. Now I am moving to the next question. And remember, all the questions I am writing from NCERT. The next question. If A transpose is minus 2, 3, 1, 2 and B is given as minus 1, 0, 1, 2, then find A plus 2B whole transpose. So this I am explaining you. See the question. A plus 2B we required. First write down A plus 2B. 2B is what? It is a scalar multiplication. So I am writing here. What is A? This is A transpose. Note it clearly. It is A transpose. Write a transpose of this. Minus 2, 3, 1, 2. Plus 2. B as it is. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Then multiply the second matrix, this matrix with each element with 2 because it is a scalar multiplication. Minus 2, 1, 3, 2 plus minus 2, 0, 2, 4. Then go for addition. Minus 2 plus into minus is minus. It is minus 4. 1 plus 0, 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. Then what you have to do? We have to write the transpose of this. So it is minus 4, 5, 1, 6. So this is the required answer. Next, moving to the next example. As I explained, already I explained one example of that category, that is for 5 marks in part D. For the matrices A and B, verify that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. In that first one, A is equal to 1 minus 4, 3. B is equal to minus 1, 2, 3. So here the first I am calculating AB. Before that I am writing the order. This is of 3 by 1 and this is of 1 by 3. Go for AB. Row with column. Minus 1, 2, 3. Next 4, minus 8, minus 12. Then minus 3, 6, 9. Understood? First row with first column, first row with second column, first row with third column. Similarly, second row with all the columns, third row with all the columns. Write down the transpose of this. -1, 4, -3, 2, -8, 6, 3, -12, 9. This is equation 1. Now I am going for the next part. What is the next part? In the next part I am multiplying B transpose into A transpose. B transpose into A transpose, that is I am writing the transpose of B. This is B. -1, 2, 3 and A transpose. It is 1, -4, 3. So multiply. -1, 4, -3. 2, -8, 6. 3, -12, 9. This is equation 2. See, I wrote directly because already you are familiar. That's why. So AB whole transpose is this matrix. B dash and A dash is this matrix. Compare that two values. Are they same or what? What is your conclusion? From 1 and 2, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Now in this same category, I am giving you two examples as a homework. Same, verifying the question. AB whole transpose as a B transpose and A transpose. One I solved, second one. A is -2, 4, 3. B 1, 3, -6. And third one A 0, 1, 2 and B is 1, 5, 7. These two as a assignment. Now moving to the next one. This is the next question. If A is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then verify that A into A transpose is equal to I. So write down the solution. First write down A into A transpose. First A cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Multiplying with what? Its transpose. The row changes to column. Cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. First row with first column. Cos alpha into cos alpha is cos square alpha plus sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha. First row with first column, leave some place. First row with second column. Cos alpha into minus sin alpha minus cos alpha into sin alpha plus sin alpha into cos alpha. Then second row with first column. Minus sin alpha into cos alpha plus cos alpha into sin alpha. Then second row with second column. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, because minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha becomes plus. Now already we are familiar with basic identities of trigonometry. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. And here they get cancels. The answer is 0. Here also the terms get cancelled, 0. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. That is nothing but I. See, is it a required answer or what? So we started with LHS and we got RHS. So this is very simple. Like that, one more question is there, similar question, that I will give you as an assignment. No doubt. If A is sin alpha cos alpha and this is minus cos alpha sin alpha, then verify that A transpose into A is equal to I. So students, with this assignment I am completing today's class, and I hope you understood what is the transpose of the matrix. Yes, what? Changing row into column, column into row. In the next class I am continuing with the next part.